Okay, so we are going to now talk about exponential notation. And so let's see that we have a chart here, and we are given certain bits of information, and we have to find out what we're missing. So here we know that the base is 6, and the exponent is 2. We really don't even need the rest of this information to figure it out. I know my base goes in the bottom, because remember the base is like in the basement. The basement's at the bottom of your house. So we're going to write 6 at the base, and the exponent again is the one that's piggybacking off the base. So we're going to write a little 2 here that's piggybacking off the 6. And so that's all we have to really do for that problem. We can check it because we know that if we have an exponent, we have to multiply the base by itself that many times. So we have to multiply 6 how many times? 2 times. And so if we can see over here, we multiplied 6 2 times, and 6 times 6 is 36. Let's try the next one. So the only thing that we're given here is 2 to the 5th, our exponential notation. But from that, we can easily figure out the base and the exponent, and then the repeated factors and answer product. So 2 is my base, 5 is my exponent, and then I remember that I'm multiplying 2 by itself how many times? 5 times. So I have 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's, 4 2's, and 5 2's. 1 2 3 4 5. Then the tricky part is finding out the product. Now for that we have to multiply, and we'll do it bit by bit. So I'm going to start with 2 times 2. That's 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Then I have to take the answer and multiply that by 2. That's 8. Take this answer, multiply it by 2, and that's 16. Take that answer and multiply it by 2, and that's 32. So my product is 32. And did I multiply 2 by itself 5 times? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I did. So I know that my 32 is correct as long as I did my math correctly. And if you guys weren't sure how I got 32, you can set it up on the side. 16 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, and that's how I got the 32. Finally, let's look at our last one. Here, we're only given the base and the product or the answer. So what we need to do is we need to figure out how many times we have to multiply 3 to get our answer 81. So we really just have to keep multiplying until we get to 81. So I'm going to start with 3 times 3, which is 9. And I'm going to take my answer and multiply by 3. That's 27. Then I'll take my answer, 27, and multiply by 3. I'm going to do that on the side here. 27 times 3 equals 81. Up! Here I am at my answer, 81. So now I need to figure out, I know 3 is my base, but what's my exponent? So I have to figure out how many times I multiplied 3 by itself. I multiplied 3 by itself 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I know my exponent will be 4. And then here they're looking for my exponent, which I can see I just wrote here, 4. Finally, my repeated factors. So which one am I repeating? Remember, I'm always repeating my base. So I'm going to write 3 times itself 4 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Do I have 4 3's? 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. Okay, so I'm all done here.